to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look right here. And this is I don't know what I'm going to call this video yet, so you'll see in the title. But I just did like a neutral matte cut crease smoky eye. I wanted to show you guys this because I do this all the time. This is like my go-to glam makeup look. This is just kind of a neutral smoky eye with a cut crease. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm taking the Manny and Makeup Geek collab. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be taking Beaches and Cream, which is this light color right here, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease. And I'm using a Morphe M504 brush, and it's just like a tapered fluffy brush. And I love this because it gets super into the crease. Now I'm going to take the middle shade right here, which I don't know what that color is, sorry. But it's like the middle orangey shade. And I'm just going to apply that a little bit more precisely to the crease, and then just keep blending. This look is very tedious with the blending. Now we're just going to keep adding layers. This look is a lot about blending, like I said, in layers. So I'm going to take this is like my palette that I created. It has Makeup Geek, MAC, and Anastasia shadows. So I'm going to take this color right here, which is Burnt Orange by Anastasia, and apply this to the outer corner and blend it into my crease. And it's okay if you get it on your lid because we're going to cover up the lid at the end, you'll see. The next color we're going to take is Sienna by Anastasia, and we're just going to do the same exact thing with the same brush that we did, and just add it to the outer corner and blend it into the crease. And with this one, you want to actually put a little bit more of this color. And this look is going to look weird before it looks better. So, just going to keep blending. So now I'm going to take a brown color. You can take any brown. This is just MAC brown strips right here. And I'm actually going to take a smaller brush. This is the Anastasia brush that comes with the palette, and I'm just going to take that and put that right on the outer corner. Just going to keep blending that into the crease. So you can see now that just added a lot of depth to my eye. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to take that brush, again the Morphe M504, and I'm just going to blend out everything. I didn't add any shadow or anything, I'm just blending it out. And I'm going to go back into the Burnt Orange by Anastasia, and I'm just going to blend out everything just with a little bit of that. And I'm also going to take the Sienna and apply a little bit of that as well. I like have to work in an hour, so I'm like looking at the time to make sure that I'm good on time. I'm gonna take this brush by the Makeup Shack. It's just like a blending brush, and I'm gonna go back into Beaches and Cream from the Makeup Geek palette, and I'm just going to buff out the edges so that everything is nice and blended. Now for the cut crease part, which is my favorite part. I'm taking this concealer, and this is the L'Oreal True Match, and it is just like a brush applicator. So I'm going to take off the excess so that there's not really any product on the brush. And I'm literally just going to cut my crease, and how I'm going to do this is I'm going to apply a little bit right here, okay, and then I'm just going to blink. And you can see where it gets on the lid. You can see right there. That's where I'm going to cut the crease. And I barely applied any product because I don't want it to be super thick. And I love this brush because you can create such a crisp line. You can see the difference. It makes my eye look so much bigger. You can take any just like flat shader brush, and I'm just going to dab that onto my eye. And there's like no product on this brush. I'm literally just blending this out so that it's not super thick, and I don't want any creasing. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side real quick. You can see that my eyes just look a lot bigger, so it's kind of like an illusion, you know? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in to that burnt orange color by Anastasia. I'm just going to blend the concealer into my outer corner, so that there's not like a harsh line. And then I'm also going to take the sienna color and do the same. Go back with the darker color and just apply a little bit more of that on the outer corner to just deepen up the look a little bit. So I'm going to go back into my contour kit by Anastasia, and I'm going to take the banana color, and just with the same brush that I used to clean it up, I'm just going to gently pat that onto my eye. And this is just going to help prevent any creasing. What a difference that makes. So now I'm just going to really just focus on blending out the outer corner into the crease. You can definitely leave it like this, or if you're extra, you can add like a shimmery color to the lid. I want to leave it like this because I feel like it's just pretty neutral and it's just easy and simple. So I'm just going to apply my eyelashes. Alright, so I just put my lashes on and set my brows. So now I'm just going to do the face. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is a L'Oreal True Match, and this is in N3 Natural Buff, and I'm hoping that it's my shade. It might be a little too light for me, so I might not use this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use a beauty blender to apply this, or the real tiny sponge. Yeah, so this is looking a little light. I think this is too light for me. Does it look too light? I think it is too light, but it will be fine. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Use like a sponge to apply my foundation lately, just because I've been using a brush, but I need to switch up my products because I use the same products all the time, and I want to like use different products so I can recommend different things to you guys, so it's not just the same things in all my videos. Foundation is probably a little too light for me, but it's okay, we'll make it work. And I always just make sure to really blend around my nose. Now that my base is on, and it's definitely too light for me, I'm going to add some darkness to my face because I feel like I look like a ghost right now. And I'm pretty sure someone's gonna be like, your foundation doesn't match your face. I know. So I'm taking my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. This is the medium one. And I'm taking the color Chocolate, which is the darkest shade in the palette. The brush I'm going to be using to blend this out is the Real Techniques Stipple brush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I'm also going to bake today, and I haven't baked on my channel in a long time because like I said, I've been using like the same product, so I'm gonna try to switch it up a little bit today. I'm taking the Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm just going to bake my under eyes with this. I'm using the Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm just gonna mix together all of the shades and just contour. And this really just like adds more color to my face from having that light foundation. Now I'm going to clean off the powder, and I'm just using the e.l.f. blush brush to do that. I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use MAC Gingerly today. This is like a neutral blush, and I'm applying this with the Morphe E4 brush. I'm gonna use something a little bit different today. I'm gonna use an oldie but goodie, and this is the Anastasia That Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using this color mixed with this color. I'm just gonna mix them all together, but mostly using that gold color. And I'm using my Morphe M510, which is like my favorite highlighting brush. Apply a little bit of this to the inner corners of my eye. And a little bit to my brow. Setting my face, I'm going to use the Absolute New York Dewy Setting Spray. Using MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. little bit of MAC Honey Love lipstick. And you can leave it like that, but I'm going to be extra and I'm going to add lip gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and it's my shit. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Harmony. I am just a girl who loves makeup. So if you guys want to see any videos or you have any suggestions, then make sure to leave them in the comments down below. If you guys think my highlights all week, give this video a thumbs up. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.